Bear TV. For those who are new, welcome. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you. I am Chef Becky, and today we'll be making fish fingers. Stay tuned till the end. So this is my workstation and our ingredients for today. This is our main ingredient, fish fillet, some eggs for the coating, 3 to 4 eggs will do. This is breadcrumbs and flour for the coating, some milk as well, salt, some spices, lemon and ginger garlic paste for marination. We will first cut the fish into equal finger-like shapes. We are going to marinate this fish with some spices, ginger garlic paste, and lemon juice. As we wait for the fish to marinate, we are going to season our breadcrumbs and our flour with the spices and some salt. Then we create the egg wash using these eggs and the milk.
So now the fish has marinated. We are going to dip it into the flour, then the egg wash, then lastly the breadcrumbs. We then assemble them all here for deep frying, actually shallow frying.
So guys, the fish fingers are very ready, as you can see, and they are golden brown. So the only thing remaining is testing. So come with me, let's test the fish fingers. Guys, it goes well with some lemon. You squeeze it like that. Or you can take it with the tartar sauce or mayonnaise. Mayo. Yeah. The fish fingers are really well cooked, as you can see. It has a really rich, crispy taste. Very tasty. So guys, hope you've enjoyed making the fish fingers and from the whole process. Please give the video a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment section, and subscribe. The channel is Big Bear TV. Also share widely, share, because our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. So guys, till next time, bye bye.